That could be possible, but not every time. Yes?
When it says if it's more than or less than.
Okay, if we are looking for how much more the other one, okay, with the other, that's correct. Yes? And of course, when you are asked to show how many was left. Okay? Now, I have another word here, which is?
Mixed number.
Which is?
Mixed number.
Okay, how do I know if a fraction or a number is a mixed number? Yes, Jesus?
If it's bigger than it's.
That's not a complete sentence. Say it one more time.
I know if it's
A mixed
number, if it's big, if the number is bigger than its denominator.
that. Alright, if the numerator is bigger than what? The denominator. And we say that the fraction is greater than 1. That's correct. Another way. If it has a whole number in a fraction, that could be called a mixed number. Then another word is the word, everybody say?
Rename.
Okay, tell me what you know about rename. What is rename? When do we say, what do we do when we say, okay, that we have to rename a mixed number? Yes? Jamira? To do it again?
I think it means like to break it down into smaller parts.
To break it down into smaller parts? Yes?
I think it means to like when you have a fraction, you can rename it like 419. You can put 619 fourths.
Oh, and what is the D word for that we learned the last time? D word. D word. Daniel? Say it, everyone.
Decompose.
Oh, in your own word, can you tell me what are we going to learn today? Using all of these words on the board. Okay, yes, Schaefer? Today?
Today we're going to learn how to subtract mixed numbers by breaking them down and renaming them.
Okay, fireworks, everyone? Good job. All right. So you ready to learn?
Yes.
All right. So before that, I have a problem on the board. As part of our review, I want you to read the problem. I want you, material officer, to distribute the marker pins. And while you are waiting for the marker pins, I want you to read quietly the problem. I want only the answer on the board. You can solve the board as well. You ready, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jeff, use 4 7/8 cups of orange juice and 3 1/8 cups of pineapple juice to make a tropical punch. How much orange juice than pineapple juice did Jeff use? Think. Solve. Circle your answer, the letter of your choice. And boards up. Show your work to the other. Alright. Facing here, I want to see your answer. If your answer is A, keep it. A. Nobody? So we believe that this is not the answer. If our answer is D, 8 cups. Okay? Tell me why. Yes. Carlin. Okay, give me a second, baby. Miss Salvacion is so slow. Alright. Okay, 7 plus 1. 7, 8 plus 1, 8 equals what? 8 what? 8, 8. And then? And then what else did you do?
I did 4 plus 3 equals 7.
Okay. So 7 plus 8, 8 equals 8. That's why that's your answer. Do you agree? Do you have a different answer? You got the same answer? Tell me, Abdullah. What's the question? Let's go back to the question.
Let's use 4, 7, 8 cups of orange juice and 3, 1/8 cups of pineapple juice to make a tropical punch. How much orange juice than pineapple juice did Jeff use?
What does this question telling you, Carlin? What do you realize about the question? Remember before we started, we need to find out when are we going to subtract. Do you think this problem will tell you to add or to subtract, Carlin? Subtract. Tell me why. Give the microphone to him, please.
I know I was wrong because how much
Go ahead.
I know I was wrong because the problem said how much orange juice then pineapple juice did Jeff use? And I didn't refer back to the question.
All right. So instead of adding, what are we going to do next?
Subtract.
Okay. So whose answer is B? Raise your hand. Okay. Tell me how you got your answer. Jumaira.
I got my answer by
Give a second.
I got my answer by subtracting. 4
Okay.
take away 3, which equals 1.
Okay. And then?
Then 7, 8 take away 1, 8 equals 6, 8.
All right. Stop. Why did you say that it's 1 and 3/4? When in fact your answer is 1 and 6/8. I don't have any 1 and 6/8 on the board.
I say 1 and 3/4 because 1 and 6/8 and 1 and 3/4 are equivalent fractions.
How did you know that? Who can tell me? She is trying to tell us that those are equivalent fractions. How did she know that they are equivalent fraction? Harsh.
I know that they are equivalent fraction because if you divided 6/8 by 2, it will be 3/4. And
Now my question is, why do you need to divide the fraction by 2, 2? Where does that 2, 2 came from? I don't understand.
the 2 came from 1
How did we get the 2, 2 here? What is that called?
whole.
Yeah, that's 1 whole, but how did we get that 1? Why did we think about the number 2, 2 to divide it on the fraction? Yes? We look for what?
We got 2 by the least common factor.
Okay, is it the least common factor or the greatest common factor? Let's talk about it. What are the factors of 6? Tell me.
2.
1 times 6,
6.
2 times 3. Okay, how about 8? 1 times 8, 2 times 4. Okay, what's the common factor? 2. Okay, greatest common factor. Got this one? We're good? Okay, give me a thumbs up if you understood that one. So our answer is B. If your answer is B, give yourself a pat back, please. Good job. All right. Clean your area, everyone. Make sure all the marker pens are in the plastic bag.